Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Young OG here, back with another video, and today we're gonna be unboxing the iPhone 16e. We're gonna be unboxing the black version and 128 gigabytes of storage. And all right, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so as we can see, the iPhone 16e comes in this really minimal package. Of course, we're used to this, and again, like every other Apple iPhone today, it has pull tabs and a really slim package. So yeah, we'll just go ahead into the unboxing. First, you definitely want to pull the pull tabs, obviously, and so there's one at the top, one at the bottom. And again, this is a 128 gigabyte version in black, as you can see. So if you did not know, so this phone actually is built with the iPhone 14 body, and of course the only major difference is like it has just one camera, and this is a 6.1 inch device, by the way. So again, it's the form factor that the iPhone 14 comes in, but of course with a better display, a better chip, and of course like other things. So in the box we do get a braided white Type-C to C cable, which is really nice. I do enjoy having braided cables myself. I have a ton of USB-C cables, and like they're 95% braided, maybe 90. So yeah, other thing we do get in the box includes this let's take a look at it here. Okay, yeah, it basically tells us like you can't use a physical SIM with this phone. You only can use a eSIM, or of course that's for like the US market, and honestly I'm not sure about like other regions as well. Okay, so as you can see, we just peeled off that that film, and you can see the phone. So we're just gonna boot it up here and give it about 10 seconds to boot up. I don't think it should take longer than that, honestly. Yeah, just a couple of seconds more. And there we go. Yeah, so pretty much we're greeted with the hello hello message in English, and this language I do not know, and this I do not know as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead with this startup here, and we're almost get into the end of this video. So let me know what you think about this phone. Would you get it? Would you get the iPhone 16e? Of course, there's a lot of things it doesn't have. It doesn't have MagSafe. It doesn't have like fast wireless charging. And again, actually at the end of this video I made this one like a really short one. However, I'm going to be posting another video about my first impressions. So of course, if you want to see that, you should definitely get subscribed and hit the notification bell. All right, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.